Hello friends, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Eggplant Bruschetta, but today I'm making it my way. Healthier, spicier, cheesy, and honestly so good it feels illegal. This is one of those meals that looks like a restaurant dish, but it's made right at home with simple ingredients and a whole lot of love. So if you are trying to eat clean, lose weight, or just want a guilt-free delicious dinner, stay with me because this is about to get romantic. First, I'm taking one whole eggplant. Now watch this trick. I place it between two knives and now I start slicing it. About half-inch thick slices all the way down. But I do not cut through the bottom. That's exactly why the knives are there. They stop the blades and keep the bottom attached. So the eggplant stay connected like an accordion. Perfect for stuffing. Now I slice my toppings. Tomatoes, jalapeños, and fresh mozzarella. This combo is insane. Juicy tomato, spicy jalapeno, and creamy mozzarella. It's a love triangle that always works. Now in a small pan, I add a little olive oil, then minced garlic, and now I start building flavor. Italian seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, parsley, oregano, salt and pepper. And honestly, you can add any spices you love. Mix it well because this is the sauce that turns the eggplant into a main character. Now I take my baking tray, lay down aluminum foil, and place the eggplant right in. Now comes the best part. I pour my garlic oil mixture over it and I make sure it reaches inside every slot, every cut, every layer. Because flavor should not stay on top, flavor should go deep. Now carefully I start stuffing the eggplant. First tomatoes inside each slot. Oops, my pan is too small for this full eggplant. So I have to break it in two portions. No problem, we adapt, we don't panic. Now after tomatoes, I add jalapeno slices and then fresh mozzarella. Oh yes. Now we place the complete eggplant inside. And next time make sure you use a bigger tray so the whole eggplant fits in one shot. Now I take the remaining garlic mixture and brush it all over the top of the eggplant. This makes it golden, juicy and flavor loaded. Now into the oven. Preheated oven at 350 degrees. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes until the eggplant becomes soft and the mozzarella turns melty and beautiful. And after 40 minutes, look at this. This is not just eggplant. This is a full dinner. Healthy, delicious, cheesy, spicy, juicy and completely guilt-free. Now I am plating everything. Look at this. It looks like restaurant dish. But the ingredients are clean, simple and honest. This is a type of food that supports your body while still feeding your soul. Hold on, I need a picture of this because this eggplant is looking too sexy not to post. Tomatoes shining, cheese melting, jalapeno sitting like a perfect. Now the best part. Let's gobble. Oh wow. The eggplant is so soft, the tomatoes are juicy, the jalapeno gives that kick, and the mozzarella makes it creamy and rich. This is the kind of meal you eat and you feel satisfied, not heavy, full, but still light. So if you are on a health journey or a weight loss journey, this is the perfect dinner idea. High volume, high flavor, low guilt. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. From my kitchen to your heart, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.